let's consider the expression 10u, where u is the unit vector we get when we divide PQ by its magnitude. Now 10u is just going to be 10 multiplied by the u vector, which we found up here to be 5 over the square root of 29I plus 2 over the square root of 29j, which is going to equal, just using this distributive law, 50 over the square root of 29I plus 20 over the square root of 29j. This vector is going to be 10 times as long as the unit vector. So it's going to have, since the unit vector has a magnitude or length of 1, the length of this vector is going to be 10. So that the vector 10u has the same direction as the vector PQ, but it has a magnitude of 10. Now we ask the question, is there some constant c such that PQ, our vector here, is equal to 3i, to c multiplied by 3i plus j? Well, our vector PQ is 5i plus 2j, and we set that equal to c times 3i plus j, and we get 5i plus 2j equals 3ci plus c times j. These vectors are equal if and only if their I components and their j components are both equal. So we can set that condition. We can say that the I component of this one is 5 has to equal the I component of this side, which is 3c. We can say also that the j component, which is 2, has to equal the j component over here, which is just c. Now if we solve these equations, 5 equals 3c, well, we get c equals 5/3. Okay, that's what we get if we solve the first equation. If we solve the second equation, well, the second equation is already solved for c. It says that c equals 2. These are not the same, so there is no such c, no such single number such that c multiplied by this vector will equal this vector.